The Embraer A-29 Super Tucano is one of the most advanced light attack aircraft in its class. Developed by Embraer, it is specifically designed for reconnaissance, border patrol, and counterinsurgency (COIN) missions. With its efficient turboprop design, the A-29 can operate from short runways and remote areas, making it highly versatile for modern combat environments. In terms of avionics technology, the Super Tucano features a full-glass cockpit that is compatible with night vision goggles, NVG. This system provides pilots with enhanced situational awareness, even in low-light or adverse weather conditions. It also includes an advanced head-up display, HUD, allowing pilots to keep their focus on the target without looking down at the instrument panels. When it comes to firepower, the A-29 Super Tucano is highly capable for a light attack aircraft. It is equipped with internal .50 caliber machine guns and can carry a wide range of weapons, including rockets, laser-guided bombs, and air-to-ground missiles. These weapons are integrated with a modern fire control system that improves targeting accuracy and minimizes collateral damage.